Hey guys, today we are doing how to make slime, and then we're doing her slime collection.
First, you're pouring as much glue in as you want. So we're making green, so we're adding blue and yellow. And first, you add in 2 drops of each color and mix. And if you don't like the color, you can keep adding more drops in. So this is the final color. It looks a lot more green off camera. It looks white on camera. So the next step is you add the activator. Squirt it in. And then you mix it. A little bit sticky, but not that much. You want to knead it, and then start kneading it by folding it over and getting the extras from around the box, and then you would put the spoon away and just start playing with it with your hands.
Okay, so now we're gonna do the slime collection video. We're gonna start off with the ones in the little thing. This is just a tiny, like, reddish one.
Here's this yellow one. It's like a neon yellow.
Then we have this mint green. Oh, she says not to get this one out.
That's
really sticky. But it's like a mint, not really a mint, it's kind of like a mintish blue, not mint green. Kind of looks like a red one.
Yeah. So then we have this just red orangish one.
No, this one's really sticky, so I'm gonna have to catch this one.
And then we have this, what would you call this? Cool? No, like.
It's kind of like fluff, honestly. And then there's this dark purple glittery. Oh, this feels really good.
Green one.
This is a pretty green. But this is a really pretty blue, and it has some sparkles in it, or glitter.
It's this glittery purple, the glitter kind of. Look at that bubble.
Oh, those holes are disgusting. Oh,
Look.
Oh, that's so bad. Hold on.
And then I'll just do the center one.
So this is the one we just made, or she just made. And this one's more foamy feeling, and it's not as slimy feeling. It's more like shaving cream feeling.
Exterior. Not really any color does so.
And this is a gross white one.
It's not even
Ew!
slime.
Ew! That's like slimy feeling, but it's like, oh, that's so bad.
That one's the one I made for you, so you have to.
This is like kind of the same kind of one I just have. This one's more bluish than them.
That's her. And here.
Actually, they're completely different now that I see
Yeah. That was great. So the kinetic sand one, the kinetic sand comes off. So
that's gross.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. You can't play with this one either.
Okay, I'll be back.
It looks like this. You can't really play with it.